everyone, welcome back. Today I will make cheesecake, Neapolitan cheesecake. It will have 3 different flavors, strawberry, vanilla and chocolate, like Neapolitan ice cream. But I have to make the base at first. Here I have crushed biscuit. I am using chocolate biscuits and I have melted butter. So just mix the butter in the crushed biscuit, and this butter mixed biscuit I will put it in the base. You can see here that I am setting the base on the chopping board, but I have a baking paper over there. What I will do after setting the base, of course it will go in the fridge for half an hour to harden up the base. I will use the bottom of the cake pan to support it, and I will flip it over on the serving dish, the set base, by supporting with the base of the cake tin, and that base I will set straight on my serving dish. What will make easier for me the whole cake to release it from the cake pan. I feel that if I set up the whole cake in the cake pan and releasing the prepared cake from the cake pan and getting rid of the baking paper, few times I broke the base. So to avoid breaking the base, I just set it on the chopping board with a baking paper, use the base of the cake pan to support it, flip over, peel off the baking paper and put the base on the serving tray. Here I have used back of the spoon to press gently all the melted butter mixed breadcrumb, and this one I will put in the fridge at least half an hour until the base is hard enough. Now the base is set. To release the base on the serving dish, just get that spring frame off, and now the base of the cake pan I will just carefully and quickly, holding the bit paper, flip it over. It is firm enough, so don't panic too much. Now just peel off the baking paper, and serving dish I will put here, but I need to put my hand in properly. This is the smooth side, what will be the base of the cake, and flip over, and here you have the base. Now I will put this cake pan with baking paper to set the cheesecake, all the mixture. They will be set properly on the serving dish. So what will happen, of course it is already set, so when you will cut it, base will not stick on the bottom with the plate. And again, I am just trying to minimize the risk that the whole cheesecake, it is really heavy. When I try to get the baking paper off from the base, sometimes it may split depending on the weight of the cake. Here now on the base, on the serving dish, I have spread some oil on the frame of the cake pan and put baking paper, and here I will put the main cheesecake mixture. When I was waiting for the base to set in the fridge, I have prepared whipped cream. I have melted the chocolate for the chocolate flavor and chopped up some strawberries, what I will add at the end with the strawberry flavor one. And here I have got the cream cheese at room temperature. I will put the sugar and the vanilla together. I will mix it. I'm using stand mixer. I will mix it until it is smooth. If you do not have stand mixer, you can use those handheld mixer. Just mix it until the cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, they are smooth. And every now and then you may need to scoop down the cream cheese will stick on the side of your bowl. Cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, they have been mixed and this mixture is looking smooth. Now I will add the mascarpone cheese and I will beat again until just to combine, and then I will add the diluted gelatin. I have mixed up the cream cheese, mascarpone, sugar, vanilla, everything, and now I will add the diluted gelatin and give it another very just quick mix until they are mixed thoroughly. Alright, now the mixture is done. Now I will get the stick off, and now I will scrape down the cheesecake mixture from the beater stick. Here with the gelatin cream cheese mixture, now I will fold in the whipped cream. At first I will mix little bit of whipped cream just to loosen up the mixture. What we'll do, whipped cream will give the cheesecake bit light texture. So 1/3 of the whipped cream I have mixed, it is light enough. Now I will fold in with the rest of the whipped cream. And when you are folding in, just try to be a little bit quicker so that gelatin doesn't get too much time to start setting. And in this stage you need to work a little bit faster. And if you find that gelatin has started setting, just give it a really quick big mixing up. So this mixture now I will divide in 3 portions. One portion I will keep it in this main bowl, and the second portion and third portion in other bowls. What I will do here with the second portion, I will add little bit of pink food coloring to get that strawberry color. But when you are using food coloring, it is better use little bit of food color on a small spoon and use 1 drop at a time until you get the color you are looking for. If you use straight from the bottle, it may happen that you may end up too much color may go in your food, and with the small spoon actually you will have the control. Here. I don't want really dark pink, just light pink. I am happy with this. And now mix the chopped strawberries. I have chopped them really finely, so this mixture will get the strawberry flavor as well. And of course you are using fresh fruit, of course it will give some texture, and you know it will cut through the tartness. With the third one, now I will add this melted chocolate for the chocolate flavor. All my 3 different flavor mixture is ready. Now I will get the base out. Okay, and on the base I will put a dollop of vanilla mixture of cream cheese. Next to that one, dollop of strawberry mixture, and again dollop of chocolate mixture. Different dollops you just put alternately next to each other. And maybe give it a jiggle. And again, second layer, put here. I do not have any vanilla flavor, so I will put the vanilla flavor one. And here I will put on top of the vanilla bit of chocolate, on top of the strawberry bit of chocolate, and on chocolate I will put strawberries, and keep on layering alternately as long you finish all your mixture. On the top, just use one of your spatula, press down the top. You do not need to make it really super smooth because we will use some decorating stuff, that is the marshmallows. Just sprinkle the marshmallows, and I will use my hand to press it on the surface of the cheesecake. So what will happen, that if you are pressing it, all the marshmallows, they will set on your cheesecake. Here, when you are pressing the marshmallows on top, of course you are pressing the cheesecake mixture as well, so it will make roughly, the surface will be really pretty flat, not a super flat, but it will be. And then tap a few times your cheesecake on the bench, so if there is any large air bubble gets trapped, by tapping it may come out, and that's all. And now it is ready. I will put it in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. It will set, and it is good that if you are putting it overnight, put a glad wrap or plastic wrap, so that to prevent drying out too much. My cake was in the fridge overnight. I have covered it in a plastic wrap. What you need to do just before serving, take the plastic off and release the cake frame, and take the baking paper off the side gently, and your cake is ready to be served. If you want to carry the cake somewhere else other than your home, the way you just made it with the plastic wrap and with everything, just the whole thing you can carry the place you want to take it to, and take the plastic baking paper and frame away, and it is ready to be served. Not only this cake you can actually make couple of days before you need it, and just leave with the plastic wrap in the fridge, and the day you are needing this cake, you can pay attention to other stuff what you need to do. And of course the decoration bit on top, you can change it to your like, for example, maybe all those small chocolate balls or other decorating stuff, whatever you fancy for. The recipe will be in the description box. Hope you will enjoy making this food. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.